All right, thanks for coming.
Yep, we'll see you, man.
Oh, welcome, gentlemen, and the 1% of my viewers that are women. Today I've got the LMG. My sidearm is the Diddy pistol because it's actually doing decent today. And we're doing a 3v1. They have I think 2 SBRs and an M4. 2 of their guns are mine. So this will be pretty interesting. I got a call start on my radio. Straight here. It's attached to me. Is your radio on, sir?
It is.
Ready, go. What is the feeding? Well, this is awkward. Whoosh, wait, whoosh. My gun is completely not feeding at all. This is muy no bueno. I just started the game. Oh shit. Now the internals are full of BBs. Well then, swapping over to the new gun. This is the EMG F1. We're back. Am I staring at Carson right now? Oh, that's James.
Repeat. He did say you got him.
Step aside, lady, step aside. Yeah, my gun exploded at the very beginning. Like the entire hop-up chamber was filled with BBs. Carson! What? Yep. Yeah, that's kind of the only chance you got when I have a clear line of sight. Yeah. Bro's not even shooting. Well, the one advantage he has is I can't see him in the brush if he's laying down. Because he's small. I just peppered him.
It is now a new game. Snipers and sidearms. Only.
Oh shit. Oh shit. You don't get 1 second unless you have an emergency. Oh shit. That hit you, I heard it. Well, that's nice. I got you? Oh my gosh. My phone gave me away, didn't it? You didn't hear it? I heard it and I was like, well, shit, I have to move now. So at this point, I have a sniper and the Diddy pistol, and the guy running at me has my new EMG F1. So this got pretty spicy pretty quick. Holy shit, man. That was scary. It appears you remembered that I only had a sniper. Spring only, game face recon, 2 mags. Ready, go! Oof. This is a bad time for a phone call. Oh, come on. Hit. Oh, we traded. Yeah, we traded.
Now we are doing a free for all AEG.
Gotta adjust that hop. How did you not hit me? Hit! Hit! Good job.
Hey, yo, what the?
Well, it's better than your balls. You're out. do me a favor, get in my bag and search through the pockets and look for a mid-cap mag for me.
All right.
Let me know when you find it. Finding that mag is kind of imperative at the moment.
Got it.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Oh shit, we gotta get you out of here. Hold. You got to shoot over the dead guy. Yeah, that, and we gotta quicken this because he's supposed to be gone right now. So I'm gonna run down here real quick and then we'll kick it back. Yeah, we're gonna finish it.
Yeah, go.
GoPro battery died. Thanks for watching.